Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Design Hut. Today's topic is banner design. So let's start and make a banner. First of all, I'll fix this design. Then I will go to the next step, which will be a banner design. So let's start. First of all, I select the type tool. Then I will edit here. Okay, I edit here. So yeah, this is fixed. Now I will change this color and change these two colors. So I will select the color tool, fill template, and which color will be the perfect here. So I will take this. I take the orange color, which code is FF9100. So you see it, and now I will I will change its color also, which will be the orange color. And now I will select and these two, and which color will be the this color, which is purple, and its color code 2B0166. So fix it here, and I think it's look good. So save it. It is saved, and I will export it as a PNG version of it. So and replace it. Okay, I think it's good. So now I will go to the next step, which will be a banner design. First of all, create a new page. It take yeah, I got it. For the banner design, you have to take 1280 into 420 pixels. So select this template and create it. Now I will make some different things today. So which will be I will so yes I and sorry. Yeah, yeah, I select this, and now I will change this color. I'll change this color as um, which color will be the perfect here. I will make it dark pink. So make it dark pink, and I will zero. Stroke will be the zero, and now I will copy its, so copy it, and I will fix it here. I'll fix it here, and this two opacity low will be the low, and low, and now I will fix it with the lock button. Now here you can write the company company name, then company name, and here you can company name, and here I will make here your website ID, and this will be here. Okay, this will be here. Now, now, what is your topic? What is your topic? You have to write here, and when you will write the things what you want, it will be here, and I will create it align as center. So this is the banner and today's work. So I will show you the more things in the next class. So till then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you.